This is Umair Hassan. Today I am going to solve exercise 3C of D1 7th edition, and the questions are related to estimation and significant figures. So let us start from question number 1 of exercise 3C of D1 7th edition, and the question is Priya evaluates 218 divided by 31 using a calculator, and she says that the answer is 70.3. Without doing the actual calculation, use estimation to determine whether Priya's answer is reasonable. Then use a calculator to evaluate this value, and is your estimated value close to the actual one. So first of all, if you want to estimate this one, then in estimation we used to round off our numbers, like 218 can be rounded off to 220, nearest 10, 218 to nearest 10 is 220, and divided by 31 can be rounded off to 30, that is nearest 10 value. The purpose is to simplify our calculation, nothing else. You can do this, you can change your value, but it should be reasonable. Converting 218 to 220 and 31 to 30, we haven't done a significant change, we have done it in a reasonable manner. Now do simplification. 0 goes with 0, 22 divided by 3, 7 times 21, the remainder is 1, insert a decimal and then insert a 0. Now 3 times 9, again the remainder is 1, insert a 0 because you have inserted a decimal, and the process will go on. So answer by estimation is 7.3. Now what about the answer with the help of a calculator? This is estimation. Now using a calculator, if you use a calculator to do this, then the possible answer will be, you have to divide 218 divided by 31, the answer is 7.03. If you will use a calculator, so 218 divided by 31 will give you 7.03, and that is reasonable because if I will round off 7.3 to nearest whole number, my answer will be 7, and this will be rounded off to nearest whole number as 7. So my answer is reasonable. My answer is reasonable. As far as I am talking about Priya answer, so that is not reasonable. Her answer is not reasonable. What I have done is reasonable. Second is estimate each of the following without using a calculator. Then use a calculator to evaluate each of the following. Are your estimated values close to the actual? Actual mean using a calculator, estimated mean using estimation. Now 2013, I can round it off to nearest 1000 as 2000, while 39 can be written as 40 to the nearest 10, and now multiply them. 4 into 2, 8, then you have 80,000 if you do estimation. What about actual result using a calculator? If you use a calculator, and that is 2013 multiply by 39, the answer is 78,507. 78,507. So is it a reasonable estimate? Yes, you can say that reasonable. There is not significant difference. You can also do it by rounding off 2013 to 2010 into 40, and that will give you some more reasonable value. Okay, this is how you do estimation and how you do actual calculation with the help of calculator. What about part B? Part B is square root 145.6 divided by cube root 65.4. Well, square root 145.6 I can estimate it like this, because 12 square is 144. So I am looking for a square number near 145. Square number means a number whose square root gives you a whole number, like under root 144 will give me 12, divided by, what about cube root of 65.4? 65.4 can be written as 64. Why? The reason is that 64 is cube of 4. So I need a cube number here because I have a cube root, and I need a square number here because I need to take square root. So under root 144 is 12 square, and 12 square and square root will be cancelled. Answer is 12 divided by cube root of 64 is basically cube root of 4 cube. Cube and cube root will be cancelled. Answer is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. This is estimation. What about actual calculation? Actual calculation, if you take a square root, of 145, square root 145.6 divided by cube root 65.4 cube root, the answer will be 2.99. Using a calculator, your answer will be, the division of this one will give you 2.994, and that can be written as 3, so it is reasonable, quite reasonable. Question 3 is express 3.612 and 29.87. We have a dot over here. Correct to two significant figures. Okay, you need to round it off. You need to write them in two significant figures. 3.612, right now it has 4 significant, 1, 2, 3, 4. In two significant, I can write it as 3.6. I am not rounding it off to 4 because it has only one significant figure. What about 29.87? You can round it off. You can write it as 30, and you should have a decimal here at the end, because a decimal at the end will make this 0 significant. This is trailing 0, and a decimal anywhere in the number will make it significant. So 3.612 and 29.87 correct to two significant figure can be written as 3.6, where you can write it like this 4.0. Now here this 0 is significant because I have a decimal over here. So this is the possible answer, but here is this, use your answer in part 1 to estimate the value of. So you can do it like this: 3.6 in two significant figures divided by 29.87, which is 30, and a dot at the end to make this 0 significant. Well, I can write it as 3.6 over 3 into 10, because 3 into 10 is 30. 3 into 10 is 30. By dividing 3.6 by 10, you get 0.36 over 3. By dividing 3.6 by 10, you get 0.36 over 3. Cancel them, your answer will be 0.12. 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6. So 0.12 is the possible answer for this one. So this is solution of question number 1, 2, 3 from exercise 3C of D1 7th edition. Subscribe the channel to have more lessons of D1, D2, D3, D4 and O-level crash course. Thank you so much.